With the optional RT exterior appearance upgrade package, your Tempest will have color-keyed bumper fascias, body moldings, mirrors, along with custom chrome wheels. Luggage and cargo space will no longer be a problem. The Tempest includes 38.5 cubic feet of storage room and a 58-inch tall, unobstructed door opening. Tempest X provides a standard left-hand sliding door for convenience and unobstructed ingress and egress. Wheelchair securement floor area includes a standard ultra-tough bedliner coating, also has an extra storage compartment to keep your wheelchair securement straps, seat belts, first aid kits, and more. Previously, a rigid back seat was your only option. The Tempest provides a fully reclining, comfortable 4-passenger rear folding bench seat. Who says a wheelchair lift can't be stylish? The Fiorella F500 semi-automatic lift provides 500 pounds of lifting capacity while adding to the aesthetics of your vehicle. If additional lifting capacity is required, the Tempest will accommodate all wheelchair lifts that are currently on the market. Up front, the Tempest not only achieves fuel economy that rivals most minivans, it includes all of the standard luxury features you'd come to expect.